In today's video, I'll show you how to install the point of sale channel in Shopify. As you can see, I'm logged into my Shopify dashboard. On the left side of the screen, under sales channels, the point of sale is listed right here. Since I'm currently on my test store, I'm not using the sales channel. Let's go ahead and uninstall it. To make this change, at the bottom left corner, click on settings, and then look for sales channels right here. On this page, make sure the install tab is selected, and then look for point of sale channel. Let's click on it. Now scroll all the way down and then select uninstall sales channel. You'll be presented with this warning before deleting the point of sale channel. Make sure you fulfill all your point of sale orders, process all returns and refunds, and remove the Shopify point of sale app from all devices. And finally, if you have point of sale pro subscription, you may also want to cancel that too. In my case, it's a test store, so we can safely delete it. Let's select I understand the risk of uninstalling the sales channel. Now let's pick the reason. Let's select this one, not using the app right now. And then click on uninstall. The point of sale was successfully uninstalled. Now let's go back to dashboard. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, the point of sale is no longer displayed under sales channel list. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please come my channel. Thank you.